Hi, wow, what am I make with all these stuff? These look so cool. It's my sister's birthday cake base that I transformed into a blue base for my project. These are the things that I used, like paint, glitter glue, sponge brush, and my mother's childhood toy drum. Of another cake base, I drew a circle. What am I drawing? Actually, I'm making kids points around the circle, and then I draw the head with the help of a mango juice bottle. This is how it looks like. It's a slow process and I have to do it very carefully. Please comment how does it look by far. First, I did the sketch with a pencil and then with a dark pen I outlined it and then colored it with colored markers. Now I'm doing the final touches. This is how it looks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified. Bye.